Hey everybody, I am Ben, co-founder of Dash Zero, and today we are launching our first product called OTelBin. OTelBin is a solution aimed at OpenTelemetry users, and specifically those that are leveraging the OpenTelemetry collector and that are dealing with its configuration files. The configuration file is a piece of YAML, and most of the time when you're dealing with it, you don't have any support when authoring and maintaining this file. With OTelBin, you can write your configuration file within the tool, and you can get a visualization of what exactly you are configuring. For example, here we have multiple pipelines. We have multiple processes involved. We even have a connector involved that is translating data from one signal type to another. And understanding that purely based on the configuration file can be hard and daunting, especially as your needs are growing and as you are manipulating data. OTelBin can do more than just visualizing. It can also help you understand pipeline elements and give you documentation to give you more insight. To go one step further, we can even leverage its validation, where it tells us about unknown receiver types, for example, but also references to pipeline elements that are just not existing. All of this is based on a JSON schema validation that is happening within the browser. However, it's even possible to go one step further and to validate your configuration against a specific distribution from a specific vendor, as most vendors have an OpenTelemetry collector distribution, like an Amazon, a New Relic, or a Splunk. This makes it a lot easier for OpenTelemetry users to understand what is supported or not supported in the specific distribution they are leveraging. At last, you can use OTelBin to discuss your configuration, to get help, or to help others. The configuration that you have defined is encoded within the URL, so you can always just share the URL with others, for example on Slack. However, notice the URL can be pretty long. So you might want to leverage the URL shortener that you can access via the share menu. URL shortening is locked behind a login, but you can just sign in with GitHub. The data is not being used for any advertising purposes or anything else. It's mostly there to protect us from abuse. If you're interested in OTelBin and you want to learn more, you can just head to OTelBin.io to try it out. It's completely free. And it is available on GitHub as open source. It's Apache license, and we would love for you to check it out, leave some feedback, or even contribute. And if you're a vendor with a custom distribution, we would also love to talk to you to get you into OTelBin. That's it from me. See you next time.